Body language. Is it important? Many people have this question in their mind. It is extremely essential. Let's understand through some examples. अगर मुझे कुछ बोलना है, let's say I am going to start my presentation on public speaking, तो मैं audience को शुरू कैसे करूँगा, right? अगर मैं ऐसे शुरू करता हूं तो आपको कैसा लगेगा, आप देखिए और फिर मैं बताऊंगा एग्जैक्टली मैं कैसे शुरू करता हूं, आपको डिफरेंस दिख जाएगी, राइट? गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, एंड टुडे आई एम हियर टू प्रेजेंट समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अबाउट प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल, एंड आई एम सो गोइंग टू टेल यू मेनी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंटर्स बिकॉज your presentation is very important. When you present, this is one way of saying without using your body language. Now I am going to tell you how to use your body language to tell the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone, good morning. Today I am here to share with you something very important about presentation skills. How many of you are excited to learn and listen this? And I'm going to share some very important pointers which is going to help you to become a powerful presenter in coming days. Did you see the difference, my dear friends? Now, when you present and do not use the body language, it is not impactful. And when it is not impactful, your audience will not be able to connect with you. They will feel boring. And when you use the powerful body language and then you say with authority, things are going to be very different in front of them. They will be very much engaged. They will listen to you carefully. They will understand what you're saying. And finally, they will be connected more with your thoughts, with your information. And finally, they will be able to retain the information for a longer duration. So, start using the body language. Some powerful information in this video that start using the body language from today itself. Don't bother whether the body language is correct or wrong. In this video, I'm giving you one example and use it like this, okay? Okay, do it like this with me. Okay, just do it, okay? Just do it, practice it. Every day you have to practice in front of the mirror. Okay, it may not be very relevant when you start, but it is same as you go and start swimming. On first day, you just learn how to float, okay? Keep doing while you're listening to me, okay? Keep doing. So when you do that, see, when you share the pointers, you can do like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All this important information is necessary when you use body language, right? So let's do it. Every day practice this so that you become better. Why you need to do this? Because when you go and learn swimming, first day you just learn how to float. First day you use your hand. Second day or third day, fourth day, for 1 week you use your hand. But you know that it is not in sync. Your hands and legs are not in sync. Slowly and gradually, after a month, you see your hands and legs are very much in sync, and you're able to coordinate between them. Similarly, when you initially learn how to use your body language and you practice like this, in front of the mirror, slowly and gradually after a couple of days, a couple of weeks, couple of months, you'll become much more comfortable to use the body language. See you in the next video with powerful information and new topic. If you haven't subscribed to my channel so far, you will miss important videos. So please do subscribe, and I am going to be with you in the next video with next and new information. Till then, take care of yourself.